In this video, I'll show you how to change the expense claim in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the third option, which is Purchases. Now, under Purchases, you want to head over to the fourth option, which is Expenses. Now, once you are on the Expenses tab, you want to head over to the Awaiting Approval section. In here, it will have your expense claims. So if you hover your mouse on the left-hand side of the logo, you will automatically see the expense claim. There are two types of claims. One is an expense claim and one is a mileage claim. Now, in order for you to edit an expense claim, simply hover your mouse to the expense claim on the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. Now in here, you have a few options. You can either edit, approve, decline, or delete. Since we want to change this claim, simply head over to the very top and click on edit. Now, once you click on edit in here, you can change the purchase amount, the description, the method on how you paid, either your personal money or your company money. At the bottom, you can add where it was spent, the exact date on where this was spent, on the exact account. In here, it will also show the tracking options. So I do have a tracking option for a region. If you don't have the tracking options, then this will not pop up. At the bottom, you can even assign this expense to a project or a customer. And the right-hand side, you can add a label. And once you're done, head over to the top and right corner. In here, you can either save or approve. Let's say we want to save this first. And once you do that, it will automatically save the expense claim that we just edited. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.